Hiya guys, today I will be showing you how to do a purl stitch. Now if you've watched the previous videos, I've taught you a knit stitch. This is the other simplest one that will help you create a stocking stitch. So let's get started. You want to have your cast on hand in your left, empty needle in your right, and you want to make sure that the yarn is in front of your right needle, if not it gets tangled. So put your needle through the loop in front of the other needle, take your yarn and wrap it from left to right around your right hand needle. Now scrape that through, following along, so you create a little loop on your right one and pull the previous stitch off your left needle. And that is a purl. So once again, take your right hand needle, stick it through the front, wrap your yarn around, push your needle round the back, create a loop and pull that off, and you have another purl. Again, round, pull and scrape through and pull off the end. Now, like a knit stitch, if you are too tight and pull your yarn too hard, it will make this harder as you go along. So whilst you're learning, don't worry about your tension. Just lightly grip them, don't pull your yarn too hard, and just pull it through. If you do a full row of purl, when you turn it over, the other side looks smooth as if you've done a row of knit stitch. Now if you purl every row, this will look like garter stitch again, as purl is almost the opposite to knit. But if you combine the two together and one row do a knit row and one row do a purl row and repeat this, you get stocking stitch, and that's when it looks like a flat piece of fabric. The stitches almost look like little V's across the whole thing, as opposed to the lines that we've been getting so far doing all knit and all purl. And they are your basic stitches to get you going with your first project. So let us know what you've been making. Be sure to look at our Instagram, Facebook, and if you are interested in the needles that I am using here, there's a link to our website below in the description, and go have a look at some of the products that HiyaHiya supplies. And until next time, happy knitting!